store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city.
Viewers and subscribers, in my previous video, me talk about the crime problem in Jamaica and how it a plague law-abiding citizens. Now people, me a beg you, me a ask you, when you out on the street, you just try and be very, very careful, be very vigilant. You get me I say, and do whatever you have to do for safeguard on yourself and safeguard on your life and your property. You see me I say? Alright, the clip I will look on a while ago, people, clearly it will show you say, this brother go home, right? Obviously, him have a dash cam because based on how the incident was captured, you can see say him have a dash cam in him vehicle, right? So the brother go him yard or him go about him business, enjoy him drive, listen to some nice reggae music, you know, would have think about some money, would have think about him family, all of that, and all of a sudden everything changed. Right, two men just step out of the bush in the part of the car armed with two rotted rifle. You get me I say? So now you can imagine now you are go home in the night, you are alone, a lonely road like that because based on how the place look, you can see that the place kinda lonely. You see me I say? You know it's not a vehicle pass, you know see no heap of stuff like no house or anything like that. So obviously the road is a lonely or is a isolated place. So the man goes boom drive go home and him look him say two man step out of the bush in a part with two rifles. You see me I say? And them obviously them never want. I don't think I kill them. They want to kill him. I think maybe it was a robbery attempt because if you go to kill a man, naturally you have to start shoot up the car with him, right? Because killer want to kill him. But the man step in front of the vehicle, so obviously they want him to stop. So maybe they want the car, or maybe they want to rob him, or money or whatever items of value he might have. So boom, the man them try to stop him, and then the man decides, here we go on, you know. I'm going to make a run feet, you know, I'm going to drive feet, you know. And him drive off people and when you hear the loud explosion, I want to say, when the light flash, I want to know, say, the man them fire a shot in the car. Zine, I get information now, say, the man was shot and is actually in the hospital in critical condition. So, maybe by now or later when we get more update upon the situation. But people, the thing I want to know now, Zine, I'm going to ask on this, I want to hear phone on opinion upon it. I want to hear how. I want to know how or what would you have done if you were that person going home. In a deal, how much was a night and two men step out in front of you with two rifles. You'd throw in the towel or you'd fight back, you'd drive off. What would you do? Zine, because people might say this man is stupid and could give him life. But, you know, everybody have their own opinions. So me want to hear how you deal with the situation. As me I say, and then or what you think would be the safest thing to do. Because him drive off and then fire shot in the car and them shot him. Zine, so do you think that if him they stand up or stop and let them do them want to do? You think so maybe they just rob him and leave him, or if I think so they would have kill him. You never can tell people, right? So we want to hear what you think about this one. I'm not sure exactly which part in Jamaica it happened because persons that say it took place in Angel, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and some other persons that say somewhere in Kingston it happened. But me thinks there is a rural area it happened based on the amount of vegetation, the amount of bush where you see in the video, right? So maybe at some country area it happened, you know. But people, I'm going to ask you again for just try, you know, be vigilant when you go home. Now, if we have a style for the on phone and text, or we have a style for the on phone and talk, and not really pay attention to the surroundings. You get me I say? So people may ask you out there, if boy better to be paranoid, man, tell you. Better to be paranoid because at least you put yourself on guard. That's, you know, if something happen, you're kind of in a state of readiness for deal with it. Zine. So, as I say, people, make sure you know think about this up me know the video in the comment section, and myself just give me a like on my video, share it, and you know subscribe to my channel, and go over Instagram, go follow me at Jamaican Drama 1. You see me? So big up on yourself and take care of people, be safe again. Can't stop saying that, me asking if you be safe. Until next time, I'm out.